Okay, we are back here, and here's Josh's list.
Fuck off, cunt. Oi, get fucked. See the dick on track, I'll fucking dust you off.
Alright, so whilst we're waiting for parts to turn up, head gasket, head studs and all that stuff, Josh is going to do some bit of TLC. So his plan is he's going to paint the engine bay. It's not the best, so it's pretty easy to access it whilst the head's off. What else is there? Yeah, he's got his spray cans, should come out pretty decent. Paint his valve, polish his valve covers, paint the coil pack covers, front covers, all that crap. Just start making this thing look a bit decent again. It's got the potential, just needs the time. Needs an air filter, he needs an overflow, radiator cap, another fan, fix the clutch pedal, head machine, blah, blah, yep. Oh, polished turbo, which quarter is taken off now. What's going on? Slipped straight off, mate.
There we go.
Oh, just like that. One giant bloody circlip. So yeah, it may take a while to polish that, but it looked good. Someone started to do it and then had enough. Couldn't put in the time. I've done it before on my SR and it wasn't actually that bad.
Got you a new livery too.
A new livery, he reckons. For fuck's sake.
Seggy, bull baggy.
That's the gangsterest chelmet. Where's that pen?
Seggiest bull baggies.
Yeah, so I think what I done last time I went like... Gary, you reckon? Fuck's sakes. Yeah, I think I went like... Fuck, what was it? I think I went like 400 grit and then went right down to like 2000 eventually and then polish it up and comes out mint. Turbo looks good.
Steve Merch special, this one. Instead of trying to get a fucking bigger hose, I will just fucking grind it all down. That's fucking roaring classic.
So we'll see Kuddle in about a week's time and he might be finished. About this thing, I hate looking at those wheels. They're the ugliest thing ever, but bought a few things. I got some Series 2 tail lights, and then I've also got some mint condition switches, which I don't want anymore. I don't want those or those at the moment. So if anyone wants to buy them, please buy them. I just want funds for Japan, and then I'll worry about getting some more after Japan. I'm cutting it fine. I need all the money I can get. This fella's here. Got this thing sanded. So she's all sanded, just going over it with prep sol to clean up the surface, and then Josh is going to hit it with the primer and then his gunmetal grey. Be interesting to see what it turns out like. It's surely going to be better than what it is now. It's not going to be any show car spec because it's just the rattle cam, but it should look pretty decent.
Where have you been fucking Easter egg hunting on Snapchat?
What?
That's a new fucking thing on the map. You find Easter eggs.
And what do you get?
Fuck the
Fuck all.
Just say, go Easter egg hunting.
It's all masked up, kind of.
Good enough.
Coolers just doing a little shake and bake, and then we hitting it.
A Forge 302. Yeah. Old school boy. Right now. Pro. Not even enough to do that bit. So what, you're taking my camera?
Yeah. So as you can see, it's looking not too shabby. Just doing the last coat and then it'll be clear to go. Should come out quite shiny and bloody quick prep. Can't complain at all. Major improvement, major improvement.
Oh, that's just it.
Can't complain for a spray can jobby. Cheap. Boy cheap.
Baby, I do.
Time for the clear. It's coming out quite mint.
Thick, boy, thick.
So you can tell the difference. Clear, no clear. Well, there you go. Clear coat's on. She's looking bloody good. And that is how you de-RFB your engine bay.
Alright, not right like that.
Right, so just going to take the manifolds off this head. And oof.
Paint dry.
And then Josh can take it in tomorrow and get it hardness tested first, see if it's alright. If it's all good, then I guess machine it and it should be ready to go.
Probably fucking helicopters or some serious washers packing this one.
Yeah, some nasty stuff going on. How many washers are there?
Oh, I got one big thick one, another one, another one.
No.
No
So,
proper exhaust bolts either.
I'm gonna try to get all the right new studs and all the same nuts. Just try and make everything right again.
One there, oh, it's all up to fuck.
There's some serious shit going on. There we go. It's off. Heavy unit. What?
Singles and a full gasket.
It's got 2 gaskets on there.
Double
Surprised
protection.
it doesn't fucking leak.
Looks like it may have been up there.
Yeah. Number one, it would have.
Oh,
Oh no, man.
I don't know. Oh no. Oh,
There's a bolt.
that's some bad
This one had a
schematics.
fucking long bolt in there. This one is bottomed out. No shit. That's probably why they put their washers on there.
And there goes the intake.
Siliconed up for these.
Silicon. Didn't not even have gasket.
No.
No, I think these leak if you use a gasket. You have to have this machine and the silicon there, otherwise they fucking leak.
This head's not the best, and Josh had 2 heads exactly the same as this, but he sold them, thinking we'd never
Be back.
be back in the RB game, but doesn't that always happen? You sell all your stuff and then you end up needing it.
Yeah. Oh well. Where's that?
Hey boy! Oh, mate's having a fap in there.
She's little.
Oh, put your helmet away. Hang on, I have to zoom in a bit more.
Get that 40 bucks. I don't quite have enough zoom for that. Utilise all the zoom.
So I just went to Smoko quickly, come back. Kudo's got this dash out, trying to tidy up the wiring and plug shit in, and also started to take the windscreen out because possibly put some gussets in and paint the cage.
Yeah, and that clutch pedal.
Oh yeah, the main reason. Oh, we haven't shown that yet, eh? That is nasty. So the clutch pedal, we've actually tightened it already, but after a bit of driving, the clutch pedal ends up behind the brake pedal because it's that bent and everything's loose, and this is fucking bad. So what we're gonna have to do is put some extra bracing in there to make it stiff. But whilst we got the downtime, may as well seats out and paint the cage and stuff, you know, while we're waiting for this schematics. And so yeah, appreciate the comments and input about the situation. So yeah, after reading a few comments, a few people are misunderstanding the situation a little bit. It's not all that bad as you think. What's your thoughts?
Well, a lot of people don't actually know, but the RX-7 wasn't running properly. That's why I never drove it. It needed a tune, or wasn't running right, so it was running really lean. Don't know what the story was with it. Never really took the time to actually properly have a decent look. It looked like a tune issue, so everyone thinks the baddie was mint and you know all that sort of carry on, but we sort of swapped.
You got ripped off.
Yeah, and everyone, the baddie, like, it's not an immaculate 30k show car sort of thing, so it's, I honestly, you know, I'm quite happy with this, to be honest, and that's what I want. And I'm more than happy to spend money on this to get it to where it needs to be and spend the time, because that's what I want to do. So I was just overspending money on the baddie when I want to do drifting. It's simple.
Exactly.
So I don't think I got ripped off, and the parts alone on this car, the part out value is more than what the RX-7 was worth in the state that it was. So no one can say, well, you got ripped off, so.
Well, that's just it at the end of the day. And it's not exactly that bad. Like, doing the head gasket and stuff's easy, it doesn't cost that much. Yeah, maybe if like it spat a rod out the block or something, then it would be like, oh shit, this sucks. This is pretty major, but it's really not. It's all simple shit.
Yeah, just time-consuming stuff like cross-threaded bolts. Just gotta get it tap and die and just fucking sort it out. You know, it's not the end of the world.
You just gotta look at the potential.
Oh, that's it.
Everything's got the potential. It's just some people just don't put in the time.
That's it. You'll see.
Yeah, you guys may laugh now, but you'll see, as Josh says. At the end of the day, sulking about it's not going to do anything. Just laugh it off and move on. But yeah, in the last video, we're talking about the piston and valve protrusion. We put those measurements in case someone may have known the tolerances. Obviously, it's a bit different because it has forged pistons, so they don't sit flat. Yeah, it's annoying because we always stuff up what we say on camera. We know something, but then we explain it and it sounds stupid, and then you go to edit the video and don't actually realize how stupid it was, and then people start commenting because they've misunderstood what we've tried to say, but we've just said it wrong. But yeah, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we've had heaps of good input from people, and I think what it comes down to is it was a previous head that's done the damage. The marks don't look fresh. Yeah, I think with the new head gasket and everything, we're going to get away with it and it should be sweet, but obviously we'll check that once we put it all back together. Check that there's piston to valve clearance and everything. Easy enough to do. And yeah, should be ready to pump again. So yeah, should see this car at Carnival and probably Matsuri too. Hissing.
Yo.
Don't you worry.
Just little shit that makes...
See, as you can see, turbo's coming along. A lot of mahi going into it, but just getting there. She'll be polished soon. Just the small stuff, just tighten up bloody catch cans and stuff. It's
simple things that make a big difference.
Yes, that's just it.
Get rid of those ugly blue couplers, replace them with black ones, new clamps. Just...
Right, I'll tell you, once this car's painted, new over fenders, you won't even recognise it.
Honestly, it'll be a new car. New seats, new interior, new cage, paint.
Sliding rails.
No.
Yes.
Fucking buckle in them. Make your back on a roller.
But yeah, I think that's about it for this video. This is probably going to be the last one. We head to Japan, well, when you're seeing this video, tomorrow. So look out for that content. We've got some big things planned over there, so you don't want to miss it. These guys will be recording this thing whilst me and Gazza are over there. So by the time we get back, this thing should be up and running again and hissing. All going well. And
another trip to Mexico, I suppose.
And yeah, I've actually bought a street car over in Japan. Officially bought one. So I'm not going to say what it is. You guys are going to have to wait for that. And we've also got a drift car lined up, me and Gazza, that we're sharing. So it's all looking good. Looking forward to it. I've literally parted out my drift card just to afford everything over there, but it'll be worth it. It's all good. For Japan, follow our Instagrams. Mine I'll put here, Gaz's here. I'll be putting most of the stuff on my Instagram, mainly doing Instagram stories and stuff, so make sure you don't miss out on that. So yeah, I think that's about it. We'll see you in Japan.